Friday morning, MacBook A1706, issue with motherboard, we have no any readings at USB ports, so USB port stays totally blank, no reading at all. It can be Thunderbolt issue, but before this video I tested this motherboard, and what we have here, we have some small issue. Well, issue just sounds so small. Actually can be big issue. Okay, we have USB port controller. Yeah, you see, testing sign. Okay, so we have here 20 ohms. On USB port controller, 20 ohms. And the line is PP3V3 UPS-TB LDO. This is the answer why we don't have readings on USB port. And this issue can be simple issue, so we need to remove CD controller, which one by the way stays in compound, is underfilled. So we need to remove controller, and if this controller fault, we lucky and happy. If not, it means Thunderbolts are faulty, and Thunderbolts, they stay behind the shield. Yeah, this one is shield. Thunderbolts are faulty, and in this case we have a lot of job to do. In any case, we have do a little bit long job, because this one chip CD controller stays in compound underfilled, and on the other side is the same situation. So when we will try to remove this controller, definitely we will remove a controller from the other side, because solder balls will spray from behind the chip. Okay, let's do quick removing. I come back after chips are removed. Okay, USB port controller is removed. Looks everything fine. I tested all pins in case they shorted to ground. Everything looks fine. This capacitor not shorted, so yeah, so everything is okay. I have prepared new USB-C type controller from the donor board. Okay, let's put controller back, and let's see this device powering on or not. Looks not bad. Okay, do we have any short on this capacitor? No, no short. What is the condition of the chip on other side? There are some soldering balls or something, some solder balls. Nah, nothing will be fine. After I will clean motherboard, and that's all. Okay, do we have any reading? And we have reading. Oops, sorry. We need to put like this here. And anyway, let's put on the casing. This motherboard and see is powering on or not. Will be more easy. Okay. Okay, just one connector. And let's see what is happening here. Okay, so we have 12 volts, 20 volts. Everything is fine, and I just put screws on the connector. To hold connector in proper way. Not to hold with the hands. Okay. And we have Apple logo. And machine works. Now sound I not connected. Loudspeaker flexes. Yeah, they're not connected. Machine works totally fine. That's all. Job done.